We're going to dive into some real talk about building your tech career, stuff you might not hear in your typical coding tutorial. I'm about to break down some key insights that will set you up for long-term success, whether you're coding up your next big project or dreaming of that startup life. Let's get into it. Portfolio more important than certification. Alright, here's the first truth bomb. Your portfolio is what's going to get you hired. A cert might look good on paper, but when a hiring manager sees a portfolio packed with real-world projects, it's game over. You're showing that you can solve problems, write clean code, and actually do the job. Trust me, no one's going to care about your certification if you've got a killer portfolio showing off what you've built. So, focus on real projects. It's a premium league let's talk tech industry vibes. It's not just about getting in, it's about staying in. Constant learning, adapting to new tools, and keeping up with trends, that's the price of admission, and that means you gotta level up constantly. The second you get too comfy, that's when you fall behind. Programming is not just coding, listen up. Coding is only one piece of the puzzle. To be a great programmer, you need to think bigger. You've got to be a problem solver, a designer, and someone who knows how to work in teams. Programming is about creating solutions that work in the real world. So, while syntax and code are important, don't forget the bigger picture, architecture, user experience, scalability. It's all part of the game. Here's another truth. Every company has its own vibe. The tools, processes, and even the culture vary wildly from one place to another. What works in one company might flop in another. So, before you walk into any job interview, take time to understand the company's ecosystem. Tailor your pitch, your projects, even your coding style to match their needs. Flexibility is key, my friends. Security is not a luxury. Let's talk security, because, spoiler alert, it's not optional. It doesn't matter if you're building a small app or a major enterprise platform, security is essential. You don't want to be the person who left the back door open for hackers to stroll right in. Whether it's protecting user data or securing APIs, you've got to treat security as a top priority. Build trust, build secure, and you'll build long-lasting products. High competition and always heads up. This industry is cutthroat. Whether you're job hunting, building a startup, or releasing a new product, the competition is fierce. To win, you've got to offer something unique, constantly improve, and be better. How? Keep honing your craft, stay innovative, and always keep your finger on the pulse of what's next. You can't afford to be average. Time equals money. Time is straight up cash. In tech, the faster you can deliver a product, without sacrificing quality, the better off you'll be. Missed deadlines can kill deals, slow down your growth, and cost you big. So learn how to manage your time wisely. Use project management tools, more on that in a sec, and prioritize efficiently. Time equals money, period. Your market is the world. Whether you're coding up an app, launching a service, or selling a product, you have the whole world at your fingertips. Understand international markets, research global trends, and think bigger than just your neighborhood. Your audience is everywhere. Courses have expiration dates. Let's get real about online courses. The tech world moves so fast that what you learned 2 years ago might already be obsolete. Stay sharp by learning new frameworks, languages, and techniques as they evolve. Just because you took a course doesn't mean you're set for life. Stay updated, keep learning, and adapt to the changes. Feedback is your friend. Feedback isn't criticism, it's your secret weapon for leveling up. Listen to what your team, your users, and even your haters are saying. They're telling you what you can improve, so don't take it personally, use it. The more open you are to feedback, the faster you'll grow. Your mistakes? They're stepping stones to success. I hope these insights gave you some major value. Remember, it's all about playing smart, staying ahead, and constantly pushing yourself. So whether you're coding that next big project or launching your startup, keep these in mind, and I know you'll crush it. Hit that like button if you found this helpful, subscribe for more dope content, and drop a comment below. Let me know which insight hit you the hardest. See you in the next one. Peace out.